Hi, I'm Corey Fisk, founder of Construction Management Online. I've been in the construction industry for over 30 years. I started off as a laborer and equipment operator. I've owned my own construction company, have been a facility director, and now a college professor. I've helped thousands of hardworking individuals just like you become construction managers. I know what it's like to have to earn respect through the calluses on your hands and the College of Hard Knocks. So if you're ready to move from the site to the office, then this is for you. It all starts with a conversation, and that's why I want you to click on the link below so that we can set up a strategy session and determine where your future is going to lead.